Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will fix the SD card not working on your MacBook Air M4. So if your SD card is not working on your MacBook Air M4, the issue could be stem from the SD card itself or the USB-C hub based on your priority about hubs, display monitor or mouse lag, also the software settings or the compatibility issue. So here is a 5 fixes for SD card not working on your MacBook Air M4. First one is to check SD card and reader hub compatibility. The SD card reader or hub may not support the M4 Thunderbolt 5 USB-C ports, or the card could be incompatible, means incorrect format for faulty. So here you can ensure to confirm the SD card is formatted in macOS readable format like exFAT, FAT32 or APFS or NTFS. May need third-party drivers to do. Also, you can verify by simple going to the Finder. Now you can simple the Finder, and here if the SD card is showing here but not in a use, means not opening. So in that case you can simple tap on your SD card, right click on it, and then here you can simple go to get info. And now in the information page you will see here the format. So this format is exFAT. Also you will see here many information about your SD card. Okay, so now you can simple firstly erase the SD card completely by simple tapping on erase disk option. Now select the format compatible for MacBooks and now erase it. Then after you can try that it are readable or not. If not, so then you can simple eject the SD card, clean the contact with a dry microfiber cloth and reinsert firmly into the reader hub. And plug the hub reader into a different USB-C port of the MacBook if using a hub. And connect the reader directly to the MacBook USB-C port via USB-C to USB AC adapter to check it's working or not. So you can check that the hub is compatible with the MacBook and your MacBook is read the hub or not. To check, you can simple firstly open the settings, go to general, click on about, here scroll down and click on system information. Then after here simple click on USB. And now here you will see that my MacBook can support my USB-C hub. Here is the Anker 547 USB-C 7 into 2 USB-C hub. So it means that my MacBook that support the USB-C. In your case, if there is a no information available, it means your hub is not readable. Now the issue is from your hub. Now you can simply replace it or buy a hub that are compatible with the MacBooks. The step 2 is to restart Mac and reconnect hub and reader. So a software glitch or hub initialize error can prevent SD card detection. So you can simple firstly close all application in your MacBook. Then after click on Apple logo appears on the left side of your MacBook. Then click on restart and then again tap on restart to confirm your restart. Also before restarting you can unplug the USB-C hub. So like this. By ejecting you can restart your system. And then once restart you can again plug it and then try to open your SD card. The step 3 is to check, verify, update macOS and hub reader drivers. So macOS bugs or outdated hub reader firmware can block SD card recognition. In that case, you can simple firstly update your MacBook OS. To update, open general, go to software update in a general settings, and now here it will check for software update. So if the update available, you can simple download new version. You will see here right now my Mac is up to date. After updating, you can try to insert it again and still you are facing. So at last resort, you can simple format or test with a different SD cards. So corrupt or incorrect SD card. So you can simple format it by simple opening the disk utility software. If they are showing on your system but not readable, now you can simple click on your SD card. Simple click on show all devices. Sorry. Firstly, I can insert my SD card. Yes. Now insert. Then yes, it's available here. Now click on erase and now select the format that are compatible with MacBook and then click on erase. After erasing, you will see a confirmation message. And now you will find that they are readable. Okay. So if still you are facing, so now you can simple check for another SD card, that to find the issue is from your hub or the SD card. Okay, so these are the steps that can help you to fix the problem. Goodbye.